So here we have Brian Rohan and Angelo Hogan from Embrace Farm. This is one of the fantastic charities that we're raising money for tonight with the Lit Up Tractor Run. Brian, just give us a little synopsis of what it means to you and what you're all about.
Yeah, thanks so much. It's brilliant to be here down here tonight for this event, and it's amazing to see the effort that goes into lighting up these tractors. Albert and his massive team there in Nenagh is absolutely brilliant. I've been directly affected. Dad was killed in a farm accident there 8 years ago. And coming near Christmas, it's always a lonely time. You're missing a loved one. But tonight is all about celebrating, I suppose, the get together here, all socially distanced, and it's great to see the effort there, and also to raise money for Billy's recovery. Billy's a remarkable little boy, and he deserves every bit of support we can give him.
It's so important to keep the awareness out there regarding farm accidents, and through Embrace Farm, a lot of that is done, and it's events like this that really helps to keep it out there,